Today we'll show how to install our heavy-duty adjustable tire carrier for the Jeep Wrangler. Here we have the heavy-duty base and the adjustable mount and all the hardware needed to install. Here are the tools needed to install the carrier. We have a small T20 socket and a large 13mm deep socket, a large 18mm deep socket, and a large 19mm deep socket. Here we have a small electric impact wrench and a large electric impact wrench. First, we're going to use the large 19mm deep socket on the large electric impact to remove the lug nuts and remove the spare wheel. Now we have the 13mm socket on the large impact, and we'll remove the 8 bolts holding on the factory spare tire carrier. Now we can take off the factory spare tire carrier. Using the small T20 socket on the small electric impact, we now need to remove the brake light cover screws from the factory carrier. Now with the cover off, we'll unplug the brake light and remove the wiring harness. And with the wiring harness pulled out, we can remove the factory spare tire carrier. Let's test fit the new base to be sure it's orientated correctly. Be sure the notch here on the bottom edge is facing down. Here, we've put a flat washer onto one of the bolts. These were included with the hardware that came with the kit. Now we're going to screw in the bolt and washer. We're just getting them started by hand for right now to hold the bracket in place. Here, we have the bolt on the 13mm deep socket. And that's going to help us screw the bolts into these 4 recessed holes on the base. Now we have the 13mm socket on the large impact wrench, and we're going to tighten all 8 of the bolts attaching the base. Here's the new adjustable mount, and it has 5 mounting holes, which gives you the option to gain clearance for a larger spare tire. It bolts through these holes, but you can mount it lower or higher depending on the size of your spare tire. Once set to your desired position, align the holes and thread in the hardware. And do the same on the other side. Now we have the 18mm deep socket on the large impact wrench. And we'll tighten the 4 carrier bolts. Now we can install the spare tire and install the new wheel lug nuts. And we're using the 19mm socket on the large impact to tighten the lug nuts that hold on the spare tire.